Good morning, my dear students. Today, let us continue exercise 1.2, 15 sum. Question number 15. See, that reads like this. For what value of n are the nth term of two APs? There are two APs given. Term of two APs 63, 65, 67 dash dash and 3, 10, 17 equal. See, one term is there. We don't know that term. That term we have to find. Both the AP are containing that term. Which term let us find? Okay. First we have to find the APs. AP1 63, 65, 67 dash dash. A equals to 63, B equals to A2 minus A1, 65 minus 63, that is 2. Now AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A is 63. Plus n we don't know, that D is 2. 63 plus 2n minus 2. 63 minus 2, 61. That is plus 2n. That is an. First one. Then second, AP2. 3, 10. 17 dash. A equals to 3, D equals to A2 minus A1, that is 10 minus 3, which is equals to 7. Then AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A is 3 plus n as it is, D is 7. That is 3 plus 7n minus 7. That is 3 minus 7, that is minus 4 plus 7n. AN equals to. Second, by the statement of problem, they are equal. That means, by statement, by statement, 61 plus 2n equals to minus 4 plus 7n. So 61 plus 4 equals to 7n minus 2n. That is 65 equals to 5n. n equals to 65 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 13s are. n equals to 13. n equals to 13. 13th term is of this AP is equal. 13th. If we go on writing these terms of the AP, that 13th term will exist in first AP as well as 13th term exists in second AP also. So the 13th term is the correct answer for this one. Okay, write down. See the question number 16. Determine AP whose third term is 16. We have to write the AP terms. That is, third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay. Such problems we have done previously. Okay, let us solve. The third term given. Third term is 16. A3 equals to 16. Okay. Now write the meaning of A3. A3 means A plus 2D equals to 16. Say for this as 1. Then seventh term exceeds seventh term, A7, that exceeds the fifth term, that is A fifth. Exceeds means plus by 12. Statement of second statement of the problem. See, seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. That is A7 equals to A fifth plus 12. A7th meaning is A plus 6D. Okay. Then A5th meaning A plus 4D plus 12. Okay. Let us transfer each term. A plus 6D minus A minus 4D equals to 12. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. 6D minus 4D equals to 2D equals to 12. D equals to 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, the 2 ones are 2 six are, that is D equals to 6. D equals to 6. Okay. Put D equals to 6. Either of the equation. Put D equals to 6. Let us put in 1. In 1 deals with A plus 2D equals to 16. A how much? We don't know. That is A plus 2 into 6. That is 12. A plus 12. A plus 12 equals to 16. A equals to 16 minus A equals to 16 minus 12. Therefore, A equals to 16 minus 12 is 4. So, the terms of AP are A, that implies A1, that is equals to 4. Then A2, A1 plus D, that is 4 plus 6, that is 10. A3, that is A2 plus D, A2 is 10, 10 plus 6, that is 16. Therefore, 4, 10, 16, 22, dash, 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 dash are the terms of the AP. 4, 10, 16, 12, 22, 20, 28, like that. You can write further terms. Okay? Write down. Question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term. That means we have to consider the last term as first term. Before that, let us find the common difference given AP. 3, 8, 13, 253. A equals to 3, D equals to A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3, which is equals to 5. But by statement, from last term, AB 253, comma minus 5 248, minus 5 243, like that. Okay, you know A is first term, that is 253. D as usual, A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, that is 243 minus 253, which is equal to minus 5. Two 248, that is minus 5. Okay, now let us find the Anth equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is A 20th equals to A 253 plus N 20 minus 1 D, that is minus 5. Okay, 253 plus 90 into minus 5, 253 minus 95 equals to 158. See, 253 minus 95, that is 158. So 158 is the 20th term when the given AP are written reversely. See the solution. Question number 18, that reads like that: the sum of the fourth and eighth terms. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms. Let us write what they have given in solution. Sum of fourth and eighth terms of an AP equals to 24. Okay, this one is the verbal statement. Let us convert it into the mathematical statement. See, sum of the fourth, that means A fourth, plus eighth, A eighth, equals to 24. See, that verbal statement is converted into mathematical statement. Let us write the meaning of these terms. A fourth means A plus 3D plus A eighth, A plus 7D equals to 24. Followed? A fourth, A plus 3D, A eighth, A plus 7D equals to 24. A plus A, 2A plus 3D plus 7D, 10D equals to 24. Let us take common as 2. A plus 5D equals to 24. 2 into 8 2, 2 10 divided by 2 means 5. 2 5s are 10. So a plus 5d equals to 24. A plus 5d equals to 24 divided by 2 because 2 is the coefficient of this expression. So 5 will transpose, that becomes the divisor. So 24 divided by 2. A plus 5d equals to 2 ones are 2 12 equals to 12. We got the equation 1. Now the second statement. Statement 2. The sum of sixth and 10th term equals to 44. Okay, let us write in mathematical format. A6 plus A10 equals to 44. Now let us write the meaning of A6. A plus 5d, A plus 9d equals to 44. A plus 8 2a, 9 plus 5 14d equals to 40. Again 2 common, a plus 7d equals to 44. Then a plus 7d equals to 44 divided by 2. 2 ones are 222. That is a plus 7d equals to 22. Equation 2. We need a and d, then only we can write the terms of the AP. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. A plus 5d equals to 12. A plus 7d equals to 22. Okay, minus minus by subtracting. Plus a minus a gets cancelled. Minus 2d minus 10. 2d equals to 10. Same signs are there, so 2d equals to 10. Therefore d equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. That is d equals to 5. Next, put d equals to 5 in 1. Okay, which is 1. A plus 5d. 12. Therefore, a plus 5 into 5 equals to 12. A plus 25 equals to 12. Therefore, a equals to 12 minus 25. A equals to minus 30. A equals to minus 30. Next we got A, then we got B. We have to write the terms of A. Write down first. terms. Three terms of AP. A, that implies A1 equals to minus 30. Then A2 equals to A1 plus D, that is equals to minus 30 plus D. How much we got D? As 5, that is minus 8. Then A3 equals to minus 8 plus 5, that is minus 3. So the three terms of AP are how much? Three terms of AP are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. So this one is very important problem. So many times already it has appeared in the examination. So practice such problems, because the similar one will not be existing in the examination. There will be slight changes in the numbers or statement of the problem. Only you have to read the problem and think yourselves in which method we must have to solve, then solve accordingly. Okay. Now today this much is sufficient for you. Practice whatever the problem I have solved in the classroom, and also try to solve some other problems if you are having books related to that arithmetic progression. Okay. Take previous question paper and search for the such questions and practice. Okay. I hope you are indulging in solving such problems. Thank you.